Hi guys, this is HP Smart Tank 670 and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Wi-Fi connection to any device for this printer and how to use basic features of HP Smart application wirelessly. Let's get into it right now. First, make sure the Wi-Fi button is blinking on the control panel. If it's not blinking, you need to just press this button to put the printer into Wi-Fi pairing mode and you will see the blinking button and the blinking indicator on the LCD display. Next, install HP Smart application on your device. I will show you the setup process on my iPhone, but HP Smart is universal application. It's available for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and the setup process is about the same on any platform. So install HP Smart, make sure your device is on Wi-Fi, not on mobile data, and open the app. On this screen, accept all terms and conditions or just decline optional data. And tap on Set up a new printer. This is critical to allow to find devices on local networks. This is necessary, so do this. And tap on New Printer. I recommend you to tap on Printer not listed right away because it's going to be faster. Now select Wi-Fi and continue. Make sure you're following these conditions on the screen. Continue and allow to find Bluetooth devices. Once your printer appeared here, tap on that. Allow to use location while using app. And wait for a while. Next, you need to enter Wi-Fi password. So on this screen, just enter the password. Check your network you connected to and enter Wi-Fi password of this network. Now continue and just wait for a while until the application completes the steps. Once you see this pop up, you need to press the information button on the printer's control panel. So do this and keep waiting for the setup process to finish. Now the printer is connected to Wi-Fi, just tap on continue. HP Smart would like to send you notifications. Actually, it's up to you. I prefer to not allow this. Well, this is another license agreement, so you can accept all or decline optional. Once again, select your country, just any country for this example. Tap on continue. And now you're suggested to create account or sign in. And the tricky thing about this application is you can't use all its features without an account. They force you to do this. So I recommend you to create account right away or sign in if you have one. Let me sign into my account. Username, password. Next, on this page, enable auto update because I'm pretty sure you want to use the latest firmware version for your printer. Apply your settings. And for this example, let's skip printing a test page. I will show you how to print later in this video, and skip sending link to other devices. But if you want to use the printer with another devices, other smartphones or computers, I recommend you to install HP Smart everywhere because this application installs all drivers and it does everything you need. Just install it on all devices. So you're all set. This is the home screen of HP Smart application. And actually, you don't have to use this very application to print and scan. You can use this app just to manage your printer. Tap on the printer's icon and open settings. But I really love this application, especially when it comes to scanning. This app can do more than just the basics. So let me show you how to use it. Let's ignore all these windows. We don't need them for our example. So first, let's print something. You can tap on print photos or print documents. Allow full access to your photo library. And as you can see, you can print from your file system on your device or from cloud services. You can connect Google Drive, Dropbox, and so on. For this example, let's print from files. Let's select a file we wish to print. Let's say this one. Then tap on Print Preview, or you can use printing shortcuts. But for this example, let's adjust everything manually. So first of all, make sure your printer is selected in this drop down, and it can be applied to all printing applications. First, make sure your printer is selected. Then set your paper size if it's not set automatically. How many copies do you need? Do you want private pickup? Private pickup means that printer will not print right away. It will start printing when you are somewhere nearby with your smartphone. Set your print quality, page range. Do you want to print all pages of this document or just some of them? You can deselect the pages that way or use manual input. Also set color options. You can print in color, grayscale, or black only. And enable two-sided printing. This printer is capable of printing on both sides automatically. You don't have to turn the page manually, so let's enable this. Enable short edge for printing like vertically, and long edge to print horizontally like booklet. And once you're done setting up everything, tap on print and wait for the page. Okay, let's move on. Let me show you how to scan in this application. Really, this app is the best free scanning app I've ever seen. So find printer scan tile first, tap on that. Let's skip this tutorial. I will show you everything in this video. So first of all, let's adjust scanning settings. Tap on this drop down and set your page size, or switch to entire scan area if you want to detect edges manually. Set scanning quality up to 300 dpi from smartphone, and switch between color or grayscale scanning mode. Hit done to save your settings, and also you can tap on this gear icon and enable auto enhancements, auto heal. You can read about that features over here. Enable auto orientation, flatten book pages. So adjust your settings, and on this pane select what you're scanning. Document, maybe you need text extracts, maybe you're scanning multi-item book or ID card, but let's switch for document for this example. And place your document on the scanner glass. So open this slit. You need to put the side you wish to scan facing down, and make sure the top left corner of your document is aligned with the top left corner of the scanner glass. So glide the document like this to fit the edges snugly to the borders of the scanning unit, and close the lid. Then hit the scan button in the application and wait for the result to appear on the screen. Once scanned, it takes you to Detect Edges menu, and you can switch to Auto Detect to capture full scan area or to flatten mode, but full area works better for this document. Also, you can adjust edges manually, just drag these dots, and once done, hit Next, and it's going to take you to Preview menu where you can edit your document. But first, let's add more pages to our file. So tap on this Add button. And you can scan the next page using the scanner glass of your printer, or switch source and select files and photos from gallery to add to your file, or even use your smartphone camera to scan documents. Let's switch to camera for this example, allow access. And you have two options. You can take pictures of your documents manually, just tap on the shutter button and detect edges manually, or you can switch to automatic mode here at the top and scan documents automatically. It's very fast, but quality is worse. You need to hold still and you can scan a stack of documents just in a minute, like this. Once you're done scanning, just press Auto button again to disable automatic mode, and switch to thumbnails to see your preview. And now, cool features of the preview mode. You can reorder your pages, just drag and drop to reorder, done to save your changes. You can rotate pages. You can select any amount of pages and rotate them simultaneously. Once again, done. You can swipe left and extract text from your document. Just select your language in this field, continue. it extracts your text and you can copy and edit, copy paste and edit your text. And you can add scribbles to the page. For example, you want to add your signature everywhere. To do this, just select any page, tap on new mark, skip tutorial, create your scribble, save it, and now you can move the scribble across the page, change size, and done to save your changes. The saved scribbles will appear here, so you can select from this menu as well, done to save. And also each page has this three dots menu at the top right, and you can tap on that, replace the page, delete the page, or edit the page. Lots of settings over here. You can crop to standard size or crop manually, selecting custom crop, done to save. You can adjust the image, apply different contrast, brightness, and hue saturation settings, and so on. Apply filters, add text, mark up your document, enable audio enhancements, and so on. So you can do this with each page you scan, and once done, you can apply shortcuts, send mobile fax, right away print this document, or for this example, let's just save this file to documents. You can rename your file, you can use smart file name from the text extracted from the image, you can change file type, use PDF if you need multi-page document or some image format, if you're okay, if your files will be saved separately. Then you can select language of your document for text extraction and set file size. You can use actual size or compress file a little bit to reduce size, and just continue. It takes you to the system dialog on any operating system, and on iPhone, for example, you can save to files, use these features, or select an application or your contact to share the file. Let's save to files. For this example, just select location. This is the system dialog. You already know how it works, and that's pretty it. Notice that your scan file is still opened in the application and you can perform another action. Once you're done, go back, tap on go home, and your scan result disappeared forever. So don't forget to save your results. And as you can see, HP Smart Application has about the same interface on a computer, so there is no point in explaining you everything for all devices. Just do your setup like here, like on smartphone. And that's pretty it for today. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.